notification button. We will be talking about how you can speak right and become a voice to be sought after. Then we will delve into life issues. It's a whole life journey, and I sure promise to make it worth your while. Thank you again for joining us. Welcome to episode 5 of your Speak Right series. So the last time we looked at short vowel sounds, and we took the 7 short vowel sounds and word examples. So today we'll be looking at long vowel sounds alongside word examples. So the long vowel sounds are the sound E, oo, o, ah. So the long vowel sounds are 5 in number, and the sound E, you find it in words like seed, read, heat, wheat, leaked, teeth, reach, leaf, pea, leave, peace, league, weed, seed, breathe, and a whole lot of other words that have the sound E in them. The sound you find it in words such as nurse, first, third, birth, purse, earth, worst, skirt, irk, turn, burn, mercy, earn, Thursday, mother, work, surf, search, word. And you have the sound or in words like Lord, fault, judge, salt, sword, jaw, sauce, ford, cord, burn, board, talk, tall, hall, football, saw, roar, war, cord, sauce. The sound R is found in words like last, far, charge, derby, farm, staff, Charles, starve, aunt, heart, fart, art, harbor, Barbados, hard, barbaric, dance, pastor, barge, class. A whole lot of words have the sound R in them, and then those are the 5 long vowel sounds. Remember, they are E, oo, o, and then there's the R. So we'll look at sentence examples of these 5 vowel sounds. Sentence examples of the sound oo. You have a sentence like June. If you feel cool drinking juice in a good mood, over the moon, you would lose your womb and end up in the tomb. When the new moon is out in June, Bruce's mood changes. In the sound E, oh dear, can you feel the heat in the beam? Hey girl, do you love my purple shirt? Nurse, I need you. The situation has become worse. The sound O, here comes the Lord of the court. It's time for war. Mark, park your car in the garage. The last space is for Charles. So you have those sentence examples. You can make a whole lot of other sentences with the 5 long vowel sounds. We'll take sentence examples of the 7 short vowel sounds now very quickly. The sound E. The silly village boy fixed the lid. The silly village boy fixed the lid. Whitney fixed the little fish on the king's lid. It was a win, and she got $1 million for the brilliant performance. The sound E. I had bread and eggs for breakfast with the president of the presentation nation. The sound A. To be candid, the fat man picked some cash from my bag and rambled off rapidly like a ram. The man at the camp asked Salmon to track the rattle. And then the sound A, you have the Russian governor's subtle show of love for his mother sent a rush of blood through my spine. So let's go over very quickly. Let's go over the 5 long vowel sounds again, and then we'll round up today's session. When we do return, we will take the diphthongs and triphthongs. We'll take the diphthongs and triphthongs. So the long vowel sounds once again are the sound E, oo, o, ah, e, oo, finally, you have the sound ah. So that's all we will take for today. And then when we do return, we will look at triphthongs and diphthongs. Thank you again for joining us. If you're a returning subscriber, we do appreciate you. And if you're a first timer here, kindly hit the subscription button and turn on your notification for more insights.